right, welcome back to another class, another section. Today, I know your day was great, so I welcome you back once again, each and every one of you. So today we're going to be using Canva for design, right? But I'm going to explain some stuff for you now. There's a difference between all the app asks you to download. They have differences. They have different function. Okay, let me use that. So for Canva can operate in two ways. One, you can create with Canva. Two, you can edit in Canva. What do I mean? You can start from scratch to create a design. Somebody wants a job and the person say, I want you to do this particular job like this. Design this logo for me. Add it to this job for me. Do it like this. You can use Canva to do that. Now, if the person is not asking you for a specification, just say, can you just design something for me? You say yes. Then you can come to Canva and get a template similar to that. And look at what the person wants and edit it. And you are good to go. The job will fly. So that one you are editing. There are difference between editor and creator. So that's editing. So once you are a graphic designer, you're supposed to be a creator from scratch. You can imagine things and bring them into reality. When somebody look at it, they can see them, they get the message of what you've done. Then you can call yourself a graphic designer. I hope you understand. So, but for the sake of this course, the sake of this program, the sake of this learning, and for the sake of the app as well. So I want to tell you what the app can do. I'm showing you what the app can do, right? So today we are not going to be creating. We're not going to be creating. So today we are doing editing. So creating will come in subsequent lectures. That's why you don't need to miss any class. So let's look at the business aspect. Let's say you want to create a business flyer. When you open your Canva, this is what you see. This is what you see. Right? Let's go back. So this is the first page, the home page that will come out when you put your Canva. So Canva has another function that is different from Pixellab. It's almost the same, and it's also different from Poster My Wall. Right? Like Poster My Wall, you can't create. You can only edit. Pixellab, you can't edit. You must create. It's a must because it does not give you template to edit. Check Pixellab. There is no template for you to edit. You start from 0 to 100. That's Pixellab for you, and I like it because it's very effective. Then for Canva, you can create, you can edit. When we're going further, you get to understand all these things I'm saying. Editing, we need to pick a flyer that is already designed by someone and change its character, change the contact, change the information to suit what we want. That's editing. Creating, you get your template, get your background, get your images, get your elements, get your characters on your own and build. That's creating. Fix your logo if necessary. That's creating. We're going to be doing creating next week. But for today, we are going to be editing. So you see the difference between them. So now we're going to go straight to business. Want a business flyer. So when you open Canva, you see it has there's a lot of options here. If you see from the top here, you see document, whiteboard, social media presentation, videos, website. This Canva does a lot, like animations, like a lot of things happen in Canva. So you don't play with it. It's a very good app. If you learn it very well, you can do so many things with Canvas. So let's proceed. So now this is your home page. If you see the home page, you see document, video, mobile video, your story, flyers, posters, Instagram story posts, Facebook posts, photo. So a lot of right there, you see logo, certificates, and videos, right? So they are much like that. So if you screw up as well, it's the same thing. If you screw up as well. Now what are we going to do today? We're looking for a business flyer. So now we go to the search engine. There's a search. We come to this search and we say business flyer, right? We pick our business flyer. Then they are going to display a lot of business flyers for us. So then we'll pick the particular one that we want. All right, we're there. You see, now they say create blank. That means they want us to create. That's why I say it enables you create. If you have what you want to build from scratch. So you take that, you pick the create. But now we are not creating today. What we're doing, we are editing. We are editing. Look at these flyers. They are all beautiful. You can edit a flyer like this and give it to your client, and it's acceptable anywhere in the world because these are standard flyers. These are standard flyers, right? Another thing you should observe and you also pay attention to here is if you screw, like I'm doing now, you'll see some of these flyers, like this one. Like this flyer. You see, this one say paid. This other one say paid, right? So these flyers, you can't work on them. You can't edit them. Why? Because you have to pay for them. That's people's job. They want you to pay for it. So that's the business part of graphics. Now we'll handle that in the advanced class. How to get paid working. Design when you finish your design. Now, but for now, so you can't, if you touch those, if you click on those flyers, they'll ask you for money. So now we're going to go to the free one. So you see the ones that don't have paid, those are the free flyers. You can edit, right? They want you to edit those ones. They want you to work on those ones. So you can get them for free. So I hope you understand. So we're just going to pick one now and edit them. So I love this. Are you hungry? Are you, right? So that's the one we're going. Now, something else you should know is that Canva works with data. Canva works with data. And your internet has to be strong, like very strong. You understand? Your internet has to be very strong. So once you click, you wait. You wait for it. Now our flyer is up. So we start editing. Look at the name. Look at the way it is. If it's something you like, there's no much editing here. That's why I pick something simple because for the sake of the class, because I don't like videos to be too long like that. So this is simple for anybody to understand. Definitely is for food, for the road pizza, burger, noodles. So we should understand IT. So right now, we'll just go straight to the name. This is the name of the company, right? So that's where we'll start our editing from there. Once you click the name, you see it gives you options. Now look at this option down here. This is what will help you, like this edit, font, styles, right? So just keep scrolling like that. You see font colors, format, spacing, effect, animates, transparent, so all stuff like that. So now we'll just go straight to the editing. Then you come to this part of it, edit. Once you click it, you touch the name again. You see, these things are your keyboards are up. Then you put the name there. Let's assume okay, we're going to be Hems Media Hotel or just Hems International Hotel. So I'm using my company name, Hems International. Then so that's that. You arrange it properly, drag it here, and we're good. So we don't need to edit the hotels. Then you can change the font size. If you want it to be, if you want to change, you don't like the font, you can come here and click font, right? Look at the different type of font you want. So these are the fonts, different type of fonts that you want. You just pick one and it changes. M's International Hotel. So look at the text style. We have the font size. We're done with the font already. So if you want to put a color, is black, so black is good. If you want to change color, tap, look at the color, changes. It changes, right? So we'll still go back to our black because it's black that we want to use, which is best suited. So if you want the styles, if you want whatever I want to do here, just keep layout, positioning. The position is good. Understand? So if you want it up, front, down, arrange it. The position is okay. Then I think we need to increase the size of the name of the hotel, font size. All right. Now this font size, you can just drag it. You see, it increases. It increases. You reduce it to whichever way is best suited. Okay. M's International Hotel. They'll leave it. Then we'll go straight to the phone number. Definitely the phone number has to change. If you always put +234, right? So anybody seeing or watching will know that this from Nigeria. 123. Okay, +234. Then you add your phone number there. It's as simple as that. 58224. Yes, then we're good. Then we'll go to the website and do same. And do same. I've not built my web yet, so I'm working on it. So let's just say Hems Media. Or let's say Hems International. Just Hems International, right? Let's leave the hotel because it's other company can be under it, so we'll leave it at Hems International. Then we are good. As you can see, there's nothing to change. The design is perfect. The design is good. So all I want us to we can't change the food. Look at the plate of the food. If you want to, you highlight it. Anything you highlight is adjustable. You can edit it. If you want to increase it, you go ahead and increase it. See, you can increase the plate. You can do whatever you want to do with it. You can manipulate it, right? You can manipulate it. So I think where the thing is placed is perfect. This place, they say, "Are you hungry?" Right? You can remove "Are you hungry?" and just say "hungry." Still the same thing. Whatever style you want to use. So this is a perfect design. You just edited this one. So if you put this one out there, anybody that looks at it know, okay, this is an eatery. This is for pizza. This is for noodles. This is burger, and who is selling? It's Hems International Hotel that is selling. So we can go buy. So 50% off the price. When you come, they say we're giving you a discount of 50%. You pay. So it's as simple as any other thing. Not the complex, not complicated. Now, once you are done, you have to come to this. Look at where this download arrow is, where the mouse is, and click on it. so that we can save our image or download our image. Like I told you before, Canva works with internet, so you have to wait for it to generate it for you. That's why we're waiting. The Pixel app, once you say save, that's it. You see it in your gallery. The Canva, you have to wait. That's to do with internet. So you see, if your network is slow, you wait for it. So this is just it. This is just everything about it. This is everything about it. You can't miss it. Now they want you to share it. If you want to share anywhere, you can share to your friends, to your loved ones. It's already downloaded. It's already downloaded. But if you want to share, you go ahead. These options is even giving you options of sharing. So I'm not going to share. So let's go straight to and check for it. Look at it here. It's here. It's here, and we're good. These are design. It's as simple as you think. That's very simple. So I think this will not be difficult for you to do. So I want you to look for other business flyers under Canva and do your own design. Put your name, edit it, put your name, put your phone number, just be creative about it. So because that's what we'll be doing tonight. Editing. I hope you'll be able to do better than what I've taught you today. So just go and keep practicing and keep doing it. It's simple. So I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.